Hey everybody. If you are a new client, you've recently set up a LLC taxed as an S corporation or even just an LLC, you're probably oftentimes wondering what to do next. First off, my advice is to read the email and watch the videos attached to the emails. It's almost always going to give you 100% perfect instructions as to what to do, and you should never have questions. I mean, we have 3,500 clients, so if our email, makes it so each person has to call in and ask questions, we're in a lot of trouble. So each email makes sure that there's no questions left to be asked if someone reads it all. But oftentimes that's a practice people have to get good at, learning how to read the full email and watching the videos attached before trying to do the task that we are asking you to do. So definitely watch the videos and read everything before you try and do something. But yeah, let's say you just got your LLC S-Corp set up, or your LLC, or your partnership, or your C-Corp, whatever it might be. You've got your documents in hand. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to take those documents, the SS4 and the articles, you're going to take those documents to the bank and you're going to ask them for a business bank account. Obviously, you want to keep personal expenses and business expenses separate. So you also need to keep the revenue separate so that at the end of the year you can tell your accountant, hey, look, this is how much I made from the business. This is how much my expenses were. And there you go. You're set. So, yeah, definitely take that business bank account, and then once you've got it set up, I mean, all you do is take the articles in and say, I need a business bank account. And they know exactly what to do. They'll set you up. And then what I would do is get on the phone. I'd call, if I was a door-to-door guy, I would call Active or, Legacy Power or whoever it might be. And I'd say, I need to, I need to get fill out a new W-9 and have my LLC paid instead of me personally. And so they direct you to the accounting department, have you fill out a W-9, and you're just going to fill the W-9 out by putting your name, and then you're going to put your business name and your business EIN, and then you don't need to put your social on there, and because you want it to go off the business name and the EIN. Then you're going to sign it and hand it in, and you're done. So now, then you probably want to set up direct deposit so that it gets direct deposited right to that business bank account. Now you've got the money rolling in and you're good there. Then you want to get the business debit card, and of course, it's nice if you can apply for a business credit card with cashback rewards. You're going to want to get those cards, put them in your wallet, separate them from the personal cards, and you're going to want to use them every time you have a business expense. And then you're going to want to have the app, the QuickBooks Self-Employed app. Check out the link below. If you don't have it, click it, get the app. You get a discounted price if you use our link, and we get a few dollars. But yeah, definitely use that app, because then you're going to be able to, snap pictures of every receipt that you get. And now it's going to log into the right area, and you're going to be able to categorize it exactly how you want. And it's also going to track your mileage for you automatically. So when you drive your car, it's just tracking miles. And at the end of the day, you just got to swipe left or right and make sure you're telling the app which ones are business miles and which ones are personal miles. At that point, you're set. You've got the business bank account up and running. You're a full-fledged business now. And it's just up to you. You're the bookkeeper. You're the one that's got to make sure that you're tracking expenses correctly. If you hate doing that, you don't want to do that, we do that. We do that for 200 to 500 or even more per month, just depending on your situation. If you have one business bank account and that's it, no credit card, then it's going to be the 200 per month to do your books. If you've got one credit card, it'll probably be 250. So it goes up and up and up as you've got more stuff that needs to be accounted for. But yeah, if you hate doing the bookkeeping, have somebody do it. Plus, once you break 150,000 in annual revenue, I highly recommend that you have bookkeeping done. It's going to make it so that you can start using your profit and loss statements and bank statements at the bank when you're trying to get loans. So you're going to qualify for all different types of loans now than you would have before, and you've got to have a third-party accounting firm doing it. If you do your own, bookkeeping, they're not going to use that and give you a loan based on your own bookkeeping. So definitely think about that, and hopefully this video is good for you guys wondering about business bank accounts and expenses and how to separate them. But we do have separate videos on just the expense side of things, so check out each video. This one was just to let you know about the business bank account and kind of how to get that rolling. All right, thank you.